Is your Windows 11 PC slow, freezing randomly, or taking too long to open apps? If you are using 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, this is very common. Windows 11 is designed for newer and more powerful hardware. But most people are still using budget laptops or older PCs. And by default, Windows runs many background features you do not really need. These features use RAM, CPU, and even your disk. That is why your system feels slow. But here is the good news. You do not need to upgrade your RAM right now. You just need to optimize Windows. In this video, I will show you simple settings that reduce RAM usage, improve performance, and make your PC feel smoother. Every step is safe and easy to follow. Let's start. To understand how to fix performance issues, you first need to understand why Windows 11 feels heavy. Windows 11 was built for modern systems. It expects at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. But many users still run it on 4 GB or entry-level 8 GB systems, and that is where the problem starts. Windows runs many background processes all the time. These include system services, security features, visual effects, and apps that start automatically. Even when you are not doing anything, these processes are still running, and they all consume memory. Now here is the important part. When your RAM gets full, Windows starts using your storage as extra memory. This is called virtual memory. If you are using a fast SSD, this is manageable. But if you are using a hard drive, it becomes very slow. This is when your PC starts lagging. Programs take longer to open, switching between apps feels delayed, and sometimes the system freezes for a few seconds. Another issue is background apps. Many apps continue running even after you close them. This uses even more RAM, so the goal is simple. Reduce unnecessary background activity, free up memory, and allow your system to focus on what you are actually doing. Now let's start with one of the easiest and most effective tools in Windows 11. One setting that can affect performance on low-end machines is Game Mode. Game Mode is designed to improve gaming performance. It tries to prioritize games and limit background activity. On high-end systems, this can help. But on low-end PCs with 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, it does not always work as expected. Sometimes Game Mode keeps certain services running in the background, or tries to manage resources in a way that actually causes lag, especially if you are not gaming. If you mostly use your PC for browsing, watching videos, or basic tasks, turning it off can help free up resources. Here is how to disable it. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Click on Gaming, then click Game Mode. Now simply toggle it off. That's it. Once disabled, Windows will stop prioritizing gaming processes, and your system can use resources more evenly. This can improve overall performance, especially when multitasking. Important note: if you play games regularly, you can test both settings. Turn it on while gaming and off when doing normal tasks. But for everyday use on low-end machines, turning Game Mode off can help make your system feel smoother. Quick reminder, you are not upgrading hardware. You are making Windows smarter with the resources it already has. Let's keep going. Tip 2. Enable Storage Sense. Storage space plays a big role in performance, especially on low-end PCs. When your drive is almost full, Windows struggles to manage files efficiently. Temporary files, cache files, old updates, and leftover data build up over time. These files may seem small, but together they take up a lot of space. And more importantly, they increase disk activity. Windows has to scan more files, search takes longer, and overall performance drops. This is where Storage Sense helps. Storage Sense is a built-in feature in Windows 11. It automatically cleans unnecessary files in the background, so you do not have to do it manually. Here is how to enable it. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Go to System, click Storage, turn on Storage Sense. You can also click it to customize how it works. For example, you can set it to run every week or when storage is low. You can also choose to automatically delete temporary files and empty the recycle bin after a certain number of days. This keeps your system clean at all times. Less junk files means faster disk access and smoother performance, especially if you are using a hard drive. Keeping your storage optimized is one of the easiest ways to improve speed. Now let's look at the apps you are using. Tip 3. Switch to lightweight software. Another major factor that affects performance is the software you use. Some programs are simply too heavy for low-end systems. They are designed for powerful PCs with lots of RAM. If you run these apps on a 4 GB system, they will consume most of your memory and slow everything down. A better approach is to use lightweight alternatives. These are programs designed to use fewer resources. For example, some browsers use less RAM than others. Some media players are lighter, and some tools are built specifically for low-end PCs. Switching to lighter software can make a big difference. Also, pay attention to how many apps you run at the same time. Opening too many programs at once fills up your RAM quickly. Even background apps can use memory, so make it a habit to close apps you are not using. Another tip is to avoid unnecessary browser tabs. Each tab uses memory, and multiple tabs can slow down your system. The goal is simple. Use only what your system can handle comfortably. This reduces strain on your RAM and makes your PC feel faster without any upgrades. Now let's remove another hidden source of resource usage. Tip 4. Turn off tips and suggestions. Windows 11 includes built-in tips and suggestions. These appear in notifications, settings, and sometimes even on the desktop. They are meant to help new users. But in reality, they run in the background and use system resources. On high-end systems, this is not noticeable, but on low-end PCs, even small background tasks matter. These tips are constantly checking your activity and preparing suggestions. This creates unnecessary background processes, which use RAM and CPU. Disabling them is a simple way to reduce this load. Here is how to turn them off. Press Windows plus I go to System. Click Notifications. Scroll down, you will see several options. Turn off things like tips and suggestions, welcome experience, and recommended content. This reduces background activity immediately. It also makes your system feel cleaner, with fewer pop-ups and distractions. Less background work means more resources for your tasks and smoother overall performance. This is a small change, but it helps when combined with other optimizations. Now let's improve how your system uses power. Tip 5. Adjust power plan for better performance. Your power plan controls how your system uses energy, but it also affects performance. Most Windows systems use the balanced power plan by default. This plan tries to save energy by limiting how much power your CPU uses. While this is good for battery life, it can reduce performance, especially on low-end systems. When the CPU is limited, tasks take longer to complete, apps open slower, and multitasking feels less responsive. Switching to a higher performance plan can help. Here is how to do it. Press Windows plus S, type Power Plan. Click Edit Power Plan, then click Power Options. You will see available plans. Select High Performance if it is available. If you do not see it, stay on Balanced but click Change Advanced Power Settings. Then increase Processor Performance Settings. This allows your CPU to run at higher speeds when needed, which improves responsiveness, especially during heavy tasks. Important note: if you are using a laptop, this may reduce battery life, but if you are plugged in, it is worth it. Better power settings mean better performance. Now let's look at one advanced setting. Tip 6. Disable core isolation, memory integrity. Windows 11 includes advanced security features. One of them is called core isolation. Inside this feature, there is something called memory integrity. This helps protect your system from certain types of attacks. It works by isolating important processes and preventing malicious code from accessing them. While this improves security, it also uses system resources. On high-end PCs, the impact is small, but on 4 GB or 8 GB systems, it can reduce performance slightly. If your priority is performance, you can disable it. Here is how. Press Windows plus I. Go to Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security, then open Device Security. Click Core Isolation Details. You will see the option Memory Integrity. Turn it off, then restart your PC. After restarting, you may notice slightly better performance, especially when multitasking. Important reminder: disabling this reduces one layer of protection, so only do this if you understand the trade-off, and avoid risky downloads or unknown files. This step is optional, but it can help squeeze extra performance from low-end systems. Let's quickly go over everything. We reduced background processes, used efficiency mode for heavy apps, enabled storage sense, switched to lightweight software, turned off tips and suggestions, adjusted power settings, and disabled memory integrity if needed. These changes reduce RAM usage and improve overall performance. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, start with optimization before upgrading. These simple changes can make a huge difference. If this video helped you, leave a like. And subscribe for more simple Windows fixes. See you in the next video.